Those eyes, Chico, they never lie. The trailer and some songs of O Romeo is finally out. And honestly, the combination of Vishal Bhardwaj and Shahid Kapoor has never meant disappointment for me. I loved Heather in every possible way. So yes, expectations were already high. When Vishal Bhardwaj launched Hum To Tere Hi Liye The, he set the tone. And with the trailer, he takes it to a completely different level. What we see here is OG Shahid Kapoor energy, raw, broken, dangerous, yet vulnerable. The scary Shahid Kapoor smile, that's going to stay with people. The looks, the dialogues, the characters, everything feels curated. Not loud, but intentional. If someone would have told me 15 years ago, pointing at Vivas Prem, that this man would one day carry such darkness in his eyes, I would have laughed it off completely. And yet, here we are. The casting looks solid. Nana Patekar, Farida Jalal in a shockingly powerful space, Disha Patni, Vikrant Massey in a special appearance, Tamanna Bhatia. Each face feels intentional, not random. And most importantly, Tripti Dimri. She's not reduced to a flower pot role. I have always said this and I'll keep saying it. She is an extremely talented artist. Underrated, unfortunately stuck in decorative roles because of her looks. When nepotism keeps feeding actors who shouldn't even be near a camera, it hurts to see someone like her still fighting for layered characters. So seeing her here with substance matters to me. The story seems to deep dive into a journey from Heartless to Romeo, hence the title. Yes, the violence is heavy and honestly I'm not a fan of excessive violence. But the difference here I feel is that this film doesn't feel like violence is the story. Violence feels like a part of the story and that's important. The trailer doesn't spoon feed the storyline, no linear narration, no overexposure. Just fragments, moments, emotions, and that's rare these days. And that is really nice. The color palette is beautiful. The cinematography is rich. The background music hits hard. The vibe is gritty, moody, intense, yet strangely poetic. Classic Vishal Bhardwaj. Because what he captures best is the grey area. So every character seems twisted in their own way. And that last scene of the trailer, wow. Earlier I might have wished it was left for the theatre, but at the same time it tells you one thing clearly. The film is going to be much deeper and darker than it looks. And the dialogue? आपको मेरा जिस्म नहीं मेरी रूह चाहिए जो इस जन्म में तो आपको नहीं मिल सकती. Awesome. Vishal Bhardwaj's last true hit was Heather in 2014. So yes, this film has to deliver. I'm excited, a little scared of the violence, a little scared of the outcome, but hopeful. Because this feels like the Shahid Kapoor we were missing for so long. Please subscribe. Thank you.